Over the past 2 months, President Trump signed various controversial executive orders that seemingly put the H-1B work visa, that is the international work visa, in jeopardy. While these orders claim to not affect the international students who could apply for a merit-based H-1B once inside the US, the latest Trump H-1B executive order seems to say otherwise. Trump had initially signed an executive order on June 22nd, halting the H-1B visa. The H-1B visa is a highly sought-after work visa which most international students seek in order to work in the United States after graduation. This executive order, however, did not affect international students who were pursuing their bachelor's, master's, or PhD in the United States. However, it did affect international students who were seeking offshore jobs in the United States. On August 4th, Trump signed another executive order asking US companies to hire American. In the president's words, H-1B should be used for top highly paid talent to create American jobs, not as an inexpensive labor program and destroy American jobs. Many CEOs such as Tim Cook of Apple, Elon Musk of SpaceX and Tesla, and Sundar Pichai of Google expressed their disapproval on this executive order by tweeting about it. The series of executive orders that President Trump is signing is in view of the presidential elections that is upcoming in November, where his campaign revolves around securing the job of Americans. Back to the real question. Does this affect international students who plan to study abroad in the foreseeable future? Will the students who are spending an exorbitant amount of money to get a degree from a reputed university in the US have to come back to get jobs? Short answer, no, absolutely not. At least not negative. When Trump talks about reforming H-1B and making it merit-based, he's actually making it easier for international students to get hired and get good jobs in America. How? There is a fixed limit on how many H-1B visas are issued every year. These are also issued on a lottery-based system. The people vying for this exact H-1B visa include both STEM graduates from top universities as well as offshore candidates from India and China. Trump's H-1B reforms aim to remove these lower wage hires and promote merit-based H-1Bs, which helps international students who gain specialized skill sets by studying in America. So, should you be worried that studying in the US might put your career in jeopardy? Not at all. In fact, it's actually time to start applying to universities in America.